Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG's 2023 smart monitors. So friend, LG is unveiling its latest LG smart monitor lineup. The versatile new 31.5-inch and 27-inch monitors don't require any PC connection at all and are ideal for productivity. And along with advanced IPS displays that deliver true-to-life colors and strong contrast, LG Smart Monitor features LG's webOS 23 platform, which provides more convenience for working remotely as well as streaming favorite shows, sports and music and friend. Great for entertainment and getting work done. LG Smart Monitor boasts high performance IPS display and HDR10 support, and the vibrant accurate images produced by new monitors help bring content to life and also enhance the user's experience while participating in conference call, working on documents or researching on the internet. And with its three-sided virtually borderless design, the 27-inch model presents a sleek, minimalistic look that can elevate workspace and boost the sense of immersion and friend. It is equipped with the webOS 2023. The latest LG smart monitors offers outstanding convenience, and the 32SR50F and 27SR50F provide easy access to streaming apps which offer tailored recommendations for movies, series and music from the home board screen, and personalized sport profiles complete with customizable sports service cards that make it simple for users to keep up the sports they love and friend. The new monitors can even function as smart home hubs with support for LG's Think You Home Hub, making it possible for you to monitor and manage their home appliances. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon